Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by verifying your system and Word version so fixes match your install. Check whether you run 32-bit or 64-bit and locate the problematic file. Once done, back up the document and the normal DOTM template that preserves custom styles. Close Word and prevent auto-loading add-ins. This isolates the issue. Make sure to write down error messages exactly. They guide the next steps. You'll act quickly, avoiding extra setup, and proceed to targeted repairs. Once ready, run a quick repair from Programs and Features. If problems persist, choose Online Repair for a deeper reinstall. You should also start Word in safe mode, hold Control during launch, or run WinWord. exe/safe to test whether add-ins cause crashes. If safe mode fixes it, disable COM add-ins one at a time to find the culprit. Next, rename normal. DOTM to force a clean template. This resolves corrupt styles. These steps fix most mid-process corruption and config errors. Finish by running any remaining updates for Office and Windows. Stability often returns after patching. If corruption remains, use Open and Repair on the file, or insert the document as text into a new file to recover content. Only reinstall Office if repairs and safe mode diagnostics fail. Make sure to test printing, saving, and templates. If things go wrong, capture exact error codes and steps you tried, so you can escalate with clear details to support or a technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.